got me.
Oh, hi guys. Back here with Cody with Speedway Harley-Davidson. I want to show you guys the new Pan America 2022 with the Rev Max 1250. This thing is bad to the bone, man. If you're getting ready for hunting season, every hunter has to have one of these. On this specific one, this is the Enthusiast collection with a specific green color. You got all the cargo you can need for everything you should be having on your trip. You got your helmets, you got your shooting glasses, you got plenty of things go. How much space is in this? Well, I guess we got enough things right here. Anyway, we got space for all the stuff you should need. This one has been customized with a full-size shotgun case. That way so you can get all your artillery for your hunting needs. So, are you a badass hunter? Or are you just someone that wants to come and check out the new Pan America? We got plenty of options to pick from. These things can be fully customized on down to the brush guards and fog lights. Come see me today.